Most people are told that if you want fresh eggs on a small plot, chickens are the only answer. Get a coop, get a flock, and you're set. But a lot of seniors across the U.S. who've tried that route know the quiet truth. Chickens can be noisy, messy, high maintenance, and not always the most productive option for limited space. What actually works is choosing the right animal for your specific situation, one that fits your land, your energy, and your daily lifestyle. In this video, I'm sharing 3 animals that outperform chickens for egg production on small plots, and the results are practical, sustainable, and genuinely life-changing. If you're someone who wants a calmer, more self-sufficient life with healthy food coming from your own land, this channel is for you. I post practical ideas like this every week, and subscribing means clarity just shows up. You won't have to search again. I'm really glad you're here. Let's start. Animal 1. Quail. This one matters because it solves a quiet problem that many seniors living on small plots across the U.S. carry with them every single day: the desire for a steady, healthy supply of fresh eggs without needing a large yard, a costly coop build, expensive feed, or the physical demands that come with managing a full chicken flock. It's a problem most people don't talk about openly, but it shapes daily decisions around food, independence, and what feels realistically possible on a small piece of land. The reason quail work so well comes down to one honest truth: they were built for small space living. They don't need free-range acreage. They don't need a barn or an elaborate outdoor structure. They don't produce noise that disturbs neighbors or violates HOA guidelines, which matters deeply for seniors in suburban and semi-rural communities across the U.S. Coturnix quail, the most widely raised variety for backyard egg production in America, are compact, calm, and extraordinarily productive relative to their size. Agricultural extension programs and small plot homesteaders across the country consistently rank them among the most space-efficient egg-laying animals available to everyday Americans today. To start, all you need is a small wire cage, as compact as 1 square foot per bird, a basic heat lamp for young chicks, and a bag of game bird starter feed. This feed is widely available at Tractor Supply, Covers, Rural King, and most regional farm supply stores across the U.S. If you already have a spare rabbit hutch, a repurposed wire cage, or even a well-ventilated plastic storage bin, you already have your starting point. The barrier to entry is genuinely low, and that's not an accident. It's one of the core reasons quail make such a strong first animal for seniors exploring productive homesteading for the first time. What you're doing is simply collecting eggs daily from a small, contained, manageable space. Coturnix quail begin laying at just 6 to 8 weeks old, a timeline that is significantly faster than chickens, which typically require 18 to 24 weeks before their first egg. A healthy, well-fed female quail produces up to 300 eggs per year under consistent conditions. No special training, no complex routines, no overthinking the process. You provide feed, water, and basic shelter, and they deliver reliably day after day. To keep it going, focus on just one daily action. Refresh their water and feed every morning. Clean the cage once per week. That is the complete maintenance routine for a productive quail setup. There is no complicated health management protocol, no large outdoor space to monitor for predators, and no heavy physical labor involved at any stage. For seniors who are managing their energy carefully or working around physical limitations, this simplicity is not a small thing. It is the entire reason quail are worth choosing over more demanding alternatives. Over time, raising quail doesn't just improve your food independence, it genuinely changes how your days feel. There is something quietly powerful and deeply satisfying about walking outside each morning and collecting eggs that came from animals you raised and cared for yourself. That feeling of productive self-sufficiency is real, and it compounds over time. Quail eggs are also nutritionally dense, rich in protein, B vitamins, and key minerals, and they carry a genuine premium value at U.S. farmers markets and specialty health food stores. If you ever choose to sell a portion of your harvest, even a small surplus can become a meaningful, low-effort investment that offsets your feed costs entirely. A small thing that makes this even smoother: start with 6 to 10 birds. That number gives you a reliable daily egg supply without overwhelming your available space, your starter budget, or the time you want to spend on daily care. It is enough to feel the full benefit of the system without taking on more than feels comfortable. Most seniors who start at this scale find that within a few weeks, the routine feels completely natural, and the results speak clearly for themselves. Animal 2. Muscovy ducks. This one matters because it solves the quiet problem of wanting an egg-laying animal that largely manages itself, one that forages naturally across your property, meaningfully reduces your feed bill, and thrives on a small U.S. homestead without requiring constant attention, specialized housing, or tolerance for disruptive noise. For seniors who want productive animals that work with their lifestyle rather than against it, Muscovy ducks represent one of the most genuinely self-sufficient choices available in American backyard farming today. The reason Muscovy ducks work is rooted in how fundamentally different they are from every other duck breed, and from chickens as well. Muscovies do not quack. This is not a minor detail. Female Muscovies produce a soft, low trill. Males make a quiet hissing sound. For seniors living in suburban neighborhoods, residential homesteads, or any setting where noise is a real and legitimate concern, this quality is rare and extraordinarily valuable. Beyond their quiet temperament, Muscovies are natural, active foragers. They move across your property throughout the day hunting insects, slugs, beetles, and plant matter, behavior that directly reduces how much commercial layer feed you need to provide each week. This foraging instinct makes them one of the most sustainable and cost-effective egg-producing animals available for small American plots, and it's a quality that continues paying dividends every single season you raise them. To start, all you need is a simple 3-sided shelter with dry bedding. Straw or wood shavings both work well, and access to a small water trough for drinking and light bathing. Muscovy ducks do not require a pond. They do not require elaborate or expensive housing. A modest covered shelter that protects them from wind, heavy rain, and nighttime predators is genuinely sufficient to keep a healthy, productive flock. This low infrastructure requirement makes them accessible to seniors across a wide range of U.S. property types and budget levels. What you're doing is allowing them to free range across your plot during daylight hours and supplementing their diet with a quality waterfowl or layer feed each evening. Muscovies are self-directed during the day. They explore, forage, and return to their shelter reliably at dusk, a natural behavior that requires no training and no herding on your part. Egg collection happens each morning. Muscovy hens produce eggs in regular laying cycles, and their eggs are notably large, significantly bigger than a standard chicken egg, with a rich, creamy, deeply flavorful yolk that home bakers across the U.S. consistently describe as life-changing for recipes including cakes, custards, homemade pasta, and quiches. Their eggs are also higher in protein and healthy fats compared to standard chicken eggs, making them a genuinely nutritious addition to a senior's daily diet. To keep it going, refresh their water daily and collect eggs each morning. Muscovies are naturally disease-resistant and hardy across most U.S. climate zones, from the humid southeast to the cooler Midwest and Pacific Northwest. Their immune resilience means fewer health complications, lower veterinary costs, and less overall intervention compared to chickens. For seniors who want productive animals without ongoing medical management, this natural hardiness is one of the most practical advantages Muscovies bring to a small homestead. Over time, raising Muscovy ducks doesn't just improve your healthy food supply, it transforms your relationship with your property. Their eggs are rare in mainstream U.S. grocery stores, which gives them genuine premium value in local markets. Home bakers, specialty food buyers, and health-conscious families actively seek them out, and selling even a modest surplus can quietly generate meaningful income that supports your broader homestead investment. There is also something grounding and deeply rewarding about watching a calm, quiet flock move steadily across your yard each morning. It adds a productive, intentional rhythm to daily life that many seniors describe as one of the most unexpectedly fulfilling parts of their homesteading journey. A small thing that smooths the process considerably: start with 3 to 5 females and 1 male. That ratio gives you consistent egg production, natural flock harmony, and a fully self-sustaining group that fits comfortably on even the smallest residential plot. It is a manageable scale that delivers real results without creating more work than your daily routine can absorb. If this is genuinely helpful so far, go ahead and give it a like. It tells YouTube to share this with other people who need it, and that matters more than you know. And I'm truly curious, between quail and Muscovy ducks, which one feels most realistic for your plot and your lifestyle right now? Drop your answer in the comments. I actually read every single one, and your response might be exactly what helps someone else make their decision today. Animal 3, guinea fowl. This one matters because it solves two quiet problems at once: the need for a productive, healthy egg layer and the need for natural, chemical-free pest control, without adding meaningful complexity, significant cost, or extra daily work to your homestead routine. For seniors who want their land to work harder for them on multiple levels simultaneously, guinea fowl offer a rare combination of practical benefits that very few other poultry animals can match. The reason guinea fowl work so well on small U.S. plots is grounded in their fundamental nature as a species. They are among the hardiest, most self-sufficient poultry birds in North American homesteading, disease-resistant, physically resilient, and naturally adapted to thrive across a wide range of U.S. climates, including the humid Southeast, the dry Southwest, the Midwest, and the Pacific Northwest. They require very little medical intervention over their lifetime, which translates directly into lower ongoing costs and less management burden for the senior raising them. But what truly distinguishes guinea fowl from every other animal on this list is their foraging behavior. Guinea fowl are relentless, highly efficient hunters of ticks, beetles, grasshoppers, flies, and a wide range of damaging insects. For seniors who spend meaningful time outdoors on their property, gardening, walking, or simply enjoying their land, this pest reduction function is a rare, sustainable, and deeply practical investment in both property health and personal health. Tick-borne illnesses, including Lyme disease, remain a serious and growing concern across many rural and suburban regions of the U.S., and guinea fowl provide a natural, proven first line of defense that requires no chemical sprays, no professional treatments, and no ongoing costs beyond their basic daily care. To start, all you need is a basic enclosed coop for nighttime safety. Guinea fowl are vulnerable to ground and aerial predators after dark and must be secured each evening, and either a small enclosed outdoor run or open yard access during the day. Keats, which are young guinea fowl, are available from U.S. hatcheries and regional farm stores seasonally, typically beginning in early spring. Startup costs are modest, and the birds themselves are low cost compared to most productive poultry breeds available to American homesteaders. What you're doing each day is straightforward. Allow them to free-range across your property during daylight hours, provide supplemental grain or formulated guinea fowl feed in the evening, and collect eggs each morning from the communal ground nests they establish. Guinea hens lay consistently through the warmer months, typically from spring through early fall across most U.S. regions, and once you learn your flock's preferred nesting locations, egg collection becomes a simple, predictable part of your morning routine. Their eggs are smaller than chicken eggs but nutritionally dense, with a firm egg white and a rich, flavorful yolk that performs well in everyday cooking and baking. To keep it going, focus on one non-negotiable habit. Secure the coop without fail each night. Guinea fowl are highly independent and need minimal daytime attention, but consistent nighttime protection is the single most important factor in maintaining a healthy, long-lived flock. Beyond that, check coop integrity once per week to confirm that latches, wire panels, and roofing remain secure against seasonal weather and persistent predators. Daily care beyond that is minimal. Water in the morning, evening feed, and egg collection. For seniors managing a busy or variable schedule, this low daily demand is a genuine and sustainable advantage. Over time, guinea fowl don't just add a productive food source to your life. They actively and measurably improve the health and usability of your property. Families raising guinea fowl on small U.S. plots consistently report significant reductions in tick populations within a single season of free-ranging. Their eggs carry real premium value at local farmers markets and within community food networks, and their natural pest control function reduces your dependence on costly chemical treatments. A healthy, intentional, and financially sound choice that continues delivering value across every season you keep them. A small thing that makes the entire experience significantly smoother. Introduce guinea fowl as keets rather than adult birds, and keep them confined to their coop for the first 6 to 8 weeks before allowing any free-range access. This early bonding period is the single most effective step you can take to ensure they recognize your property as home and do not wander onto neighboring land, which is the most common challenge new guinea fowl owners across the U.S. report. That one decision at the beginning prevents the most frustrating problem the species is known for, and it costs nothing but a little patience. Priority bonus. Tip. Here's something most people miss when they first decide to start raising animals for egg production on a small plot, and it matters more than choosing the right breed, building the right setup, or doing any amount of research before you begin. Instead of trying to launch with all 3 animals at once, remove one friction point from the very start. Begin only with quail. Here is exactly why this approach works so consistently well. Quail carry the lowest startup cost of every animal covered in this video. A basic wire cage, a bag of game bird feed, and a small group of birds is genuinely all that is required to get started. They demand the least amount of space of any productive egg-laying animal available to American homesteaders. A garage corner, a covered patio area, or a small section of a garden shed is fully sufficient, and they begin delivering results faster than any other poultry animal on this list. As early as 6 weeks after you bring them home, which means your investment starts producing before most people have even finished setting up their chicken coop. That speed of return matters more than it might seem on the surface. For seniors who are evaluating whether small plot egg production is genuinely right for their lifestyle and their land, fast, tangible results replace uncertainty with confidence. The first time you walk out and collect eggs from animals you raised and cared for yourself, that experience answers every question you had about whether you could do this. It replaces the internal question of, is this realistic for me, with lived first-hand knowledge that yes, it is, and that knowledge is the foundation everything else is built on. Many seniors across the U.S. who today successfully raise Muscovy ducks, guinea fowl, or multi-species flocks on their properties started with nothing more than a small quail cage and 8 birds. Once quail feel natural, once the daily routine of feeding, watering, and collecting eggs is second nature and genuinely enjoyable, expanding to ducks or guinea fowl becomes a confident, low-stress next step rather than an overwhelming new project. That single sequencing decision transforms a homesteading goal from something that feels complicated into something that grows naturally, one stage at a time. Start small. Start with quail. Build from there. You don't need a large farm, a perfect setup, or decades of experience to live a more self-sufficient, purposeful life. You just need one steady, intentional direction and the willingness to take one honest step forward this week, even if it's imperfect. Pick one animal from today's video. Look up what it costs to get started in your state. Check what's available at your nearest farm store or hatchery this season. That single action, just looking into it, is how real, lasting progress begins. Not with a perfect plan laid out in full before you start, but with one genuine move in the right direction. Quail for the smallest spaces and the fastest, most confidence-building results. Muscovy ducks for quiet, sustainable, low-cost egg production that practically manages itself. Guinea fowl for consistent egg-laying paired with a healthier, more productive, naturally pest-free property. All 3 are practical. All 3 are proven across small U.S. plots. And all 3 are well within reach for seniors who are ready to invest in a calmer, more self-sufficient way of living. If you want more practical, healthy, and intentional living ideas delivered every week, subscribe to Zero to Purpose. This channel exists for people who want real direction without pressure, noise, or overwhelm. Every video is built to give you something you can actually use. Thanks for spending this time here today. I'll see you in the next one.